Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is a quick tour and review of the Melia Serengeti Lodge in the Serengeti, and there's my sister being silly. So we stayed here for 3 nights and all meals were included. The lodge is very beautiful, and upon arrival we were greeted with a hibiscus drink, and check-in was seamless. So this is during the day, and this is the main lobby. So once you walk in, there is that staircase that takes you to the restaurants. If you go to the left, the pool is immediately ahead, straight ahead, and then down the stairs to the right is the bar. The pool is an infinity pool, and there was ample space in there. And then of course beyond that is the Serengeti. So we were actually fortunate enough to see some animals from the back. And don't forget to subscribe for more travel content. So this is standing by the pool looking towards the lodge, and you'll see that the restaurants are there, and there is also a barbecue hut, and I'll show that a little bit later on. And this is the accommodations for the lodge. So it's pretty much a very straight building. It kind of does curve a little bit, but it is 2 stories. And this is the front, and then with on your balcony at the back is facing into the Serengeti. So it's just open space. And then of course there's a lot of just walking paths here. And I did see a lot of the staff out multiple times during the day, just keeping the landscaping neat. This is the restroom in the main lobby, and even that was beautiful. And then this is just a little lounge area. Of course, this is also in the main lobby. And then we get into the room. So this room was the perfect size. It was spacious enough for 2 people. It does come with an umbrella as well. And then that bag has a hair dryer in it. And I just like that the bag had the kind of material, reflecting the local culture. And then there was bottles of water, and then even the slippers also have that material that represents the local culture. And there, just everywhere you look, there was a little bit of a touch of quote unquote African culture, and I really did like that. And then the balcony or terrace was also spacious, and there was even a daybed out there. I was scared to go out there at this moment in time because I had not sprayed myself, and they do provide a lot of bug repellent, and it actually works. This is the bar, and they certainly served up some delicious drinks. And then this is the Savannah restaurant. So this is where most of the meals will be had, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And it is served family style. So when you put in your order, it comes out. So it's not individually plated. It just comes out, and then you kind of just help yourself. Let's get into some actual meals. So this is what I meant about the little touch of culture everywhere. So that was the table setting. This avocado salad was delicious. I had it at every meal. And then for dinner one of the nights we had pizza, which we had at every meal, and chicken lasagna. And the dessert was delicious too. Breakfast is your typical breakfast, but of course they also do have an assortment of pastries to choose from and fresh fruit. And then there is another restaurant that does come with an additional cost, and that's just a little bit beyond the pool. So that is Boma, and it's for dinner, it's an additional cost, but we were able to enjoy our lunch there. And again, it's just an added scenery. You're able to sit and you're able to kind of view the Serengeti as much as you can see from the restaurant. And the views from this restaurant were just amazing. It you literally just see into the entire savannah. And as mentioned before, lunch here was just from the regular lunch menu. So again, I had another avocado salad. It was kind of changed up a little bit this time, but it was still delicious. The pizza again making its appearance, and this time we had some chicken and some rice, some beef, and some vegetables on the side. And as I said, everything here was good. And this ice cream was really good. Then at night, this was the barbecue area, so it is open some nights. And this was the staff doing a birthday song for a birthday celebration, which I will show more about later because my sister also was celebrating her birthday, so they came out and did the same thing for her. And it is very lively. They have the drums going, they have all the staff singing, they bring out a really beautiful cake, and it really adds to the birthday celebration. Now, as for the food here, everything was like grilled or steamed, and it was really, really good. I don't eat seafood, so I was a little bit sad because they had so many seafood options and it looked good. But of course, they still had some non seafood options, and those were really, really delicious. And there is the pizza again. And this was the celebration for my sister. So they brought out all the staff, they were singing, they were dancing. It was lovely. It really felt like there was 50 people in there celebrating with us. And then they all gathered around behind her to they actually did an encore. So listen for the song. It was amazing. She was so happy. Side note, the cake was delicious, and those animals are actually made of dark chocolate, so they're edible. Also on site, for a small fee, there's a jewelry making workshop with someone from a local Maasai village. So we took part in that, and we got to walk away with some bracelets that we actually made on our own, which was pretty cool. Also visited the spa and got a massage, and I found the prices at the spa to be very, very reasonable. And even though it is small and quaint, it still was very relaxing, and again with the touches of African culture, which I love so much. And I will end this video with some footage of the treatment room in the spa. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and then subscribe so you'll be notified of other travel videos that I post in the future.